I hope you're having a lovely weekend. I am going to share with you one of my favorite things about using these little pocket albums for daily documentation, and that is when I have a page like this where I've done one side and I know I have to fill in the back of the page protector with my next thing. It's perfect for a day when I don't have to think. I can just repeat exactly what I just did, or pretty much. So here's day 7. This is going to be day 8, and I tell you what's going to go there. One 4x6 photo, just like before. Instead of the second photo today, I'm going to use this 3x4 card, but just on its own, doesn't need any other embellishment. That leaves me a place to put my journaling. Well, I'm going to use this paper and the other half of that torn paper that I used for the journaling yesterday. So this is the one that I need to work with. That's going to go about there. I want the pattern to be visible. I want it to be obviously trees and not just green. So that gives me enough that I can see the trees. And then I can trim this away. And then I'm going to do slightly different, but not really all that different, journaling compared to yesterday. I'm going to mix it up with some handwriting and some stamps, including a number, along the way, so that it, like that same sort of idea where you get the story where it's a few words and then a word replaced by a picture, except I'm going to replace the word with a stamp. So the story I want to tell is that today might be our traditional day for sharing your Christmas tree in your Christmas journal, but shock, horror, we don't have our tree yet. Because we have been doing lots of other projects, like completely taking out a bathroom in our new house. So in the evenings when we would normally be getting our house ready for a tree, instead we've been taking it apart. So that's what I'm going to journal today. Don't worry, we will have a tree. We are within a couple days now of getting our tree. Finally. My heart's going to ache if I don't get a tree soon. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this in with that story.
Clip, clop, little donkey, can you carry Mary? Clip, clop, little donkey, on a walkie world. Don't this lead the way for us? Clip, clop, find a place to stay for us. Clip, clop, don't stop. Clip, clop, little donkey, so that I have a baby. Clip, clop, little donkey, on a walkie world.
Thank you. Just to add a little bit of detail here, I'm going to bring in a little bit of washi tape and wrap that around the back, and a little bit of gold. On here. And for my finishing touch, I'm even going to copy what I did yesterday. I'm going to use the yellow enamel dots, but this time I'm going to go with 3 yellow hearts. So one there, one here, the number 8. And I'm wondering, will one fit here somewhere? It's a bit strange and coming down off the truck. I can't tell what it is in the middle of the truck. Not enough room for it up high. Can't really see a great place for it there. I wanted it to go right there, but I don't think that looks very nice. It doesn't work with the illustration, so if you can't improve it, then move it. That'll work. Okay, so 2 on there. This one's staying plain. That one like that. Done. If you like something this simple but it seems too simple for you, add stitching. I could stitch this washi tape, I could stitch across the lines on the truck, and then I could stitch either down this straight edge, or if I had planned it ahead of time, I could have stitched down the torn edge and left a little margin. And that would add a little element of detail that's not there. But sometimes even that is just too much for an entry for me, and I like to just make sure that I've told the story, I've got it down on paper, and I'm okay with moving on. So if you're somebody who looks at your entry and goes, but that's it, like, am I supposed to be doing more? No, only if you want to, only if that suits you. And if this is plenty, it's fine, and this is plenty for me. Remember, you're going to have lots of different entries, and they don't all need to be super complicated or take loads of time. Remember that the whole idea of this is 15 minutes a day at the most. If you have more time and you want to spend more time, then great. But the idea that you could take back your Christmas with 15 minutes of reflection and crafting, that's 15 minutes worth of work. You could do it. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you again tomorrow.